The next thing is position. These are the things, okay, that we need to understand. The position. Now, they are position property. Okay, in CSS we have position property. All right, and there are 5 different position values. Okay, there are position is a property. Okay, but for the values there are 5 different types. Okay, these are called static position. Okay, second, relative position. Third, fixed position. Fourth, absolute position. And the last one is called sticky position. Now, let me explain to you one by one. What does it mean by position? Now, this is the first one. HTML, okay, the static position. Okay, position static. As you can see here, this is the property colon, okay, and then followed by the value static, right? So we call it static position. Now, HTML elements are position static by default. If you didn't define, okay, if you didn't define how an element should be positioned, okay, then by default they will be static. Okay, static positions, okay, elements are not affected by top, bottom, left, and right properties. Okay, an element with static position is not positioned in any special way. It is always positioned according to the normal flow of the page, right? Okay, now this is the example. Okay, this is the example. As if you can see here, this example, as you can see here, this thing, okay, as you can see, let's say this one is, okay, ini ialah division static. This one is actually division static as mentioned here. Okay, the selector is division static. And then when we declare the position to be static, and then we mention about, okay, border. Okay, the border size is around 3 pixels. It is a solid border, and this is the color. So when we define like this, meaning that, okay, the position will be static. Okay? They will always follow the normal flow of the page. All right, absolutely nothing happened. Okay, as it was declared. Okay, static. So we're going back, okay, to w3school.com, okay, looking at CSS position, all right? And now we are actually moving into the third position, the relative position. So again, okay, relative position, okay, is how you move, okay, an element from its original position. This box, okay, this green box, for example, okay, this is actually the IV relative, okay, is actually the original position is actually here. But then when we declared, okay, left 80 pixel, now we can see it moved to 80 pixel. Now, and then we also have try, okay, the third position called fixed position, okay, fixed position. Now, unlike relative position, fixed position are meant to be just like what it is named, okay, it's to be fixed. Okay, for example, when we declare this position to be, okay, fixed, okay, the location is bottom 0, right 0, meaning that at the bottom, 0 from bottom and 0 from right. So this element will be fixed here. Doesn't matter what screen resolution we are using, or even we have to scroll up or right, scroll up or down, but this element will stay or fixed here. This is what we mean by position fixed. Now, let's look at the fourth types. Okay, this is what we call absolute position. Okay, absolute position. Now, look carefully at the definition. An element with position absolute is position relative to the nearest position ancestor. Okay, instead of position relative to the viewport like fixed. Okay, However, if an absolute position element has no position ancestor, it uses the document body and move along with scrolling. Okay, now let's see, okay, the example of this element. Try it yourself. All right, as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, okay, there are parent and children element. There are parent and children element. The big box here, okay, is maybe the relative, the name of this box, okay, is division relative here. Okay, as I can see here, division relative. Okay, and inside division relative, we do have another small box called division absolute. Okay, division absolute. Now, the fundamental with absolute position is that an element with position absolute, position relative to the nearest position ancestor, meaning that it will follow its ancestor. Okay, and in this case, the ancestor is this box. All right. So let's say, look at here. Okay. You don't have to focus on the parent ataupun the ancestor. Okay, just focus on the absolute. Okay, first we declared position absolute. All right, and then we declare, okay, the location ataupun the position here. Okay, from top 80 pixel, from right 0, width 200 ni, okay, and so on. All right, let's say I change this. Okay, from top, let's say it's to be around, okay, 100 pixel. Right, 100 pixel. I'm changing from top to be 100 pixel here. Okay, so when I run, there you go. Doesn't matter what we do, okay, they will be, okay, ataupun the location will be around, okay, its ancestor. Okay, it will not be, okay, from when we said 100 pixel, it's not from here. Okay, it's not from the top of the page, but it is from the top of its ancestor. All right, top from, okay, from its top ancestor. Okay, if with the fixed position just now, okay, we look at the fixed position just now, okay, it is according to the viewport, ataupun it is according to the body. All right, but here, okay, with absolute position, it is according to the ancestor. So this is, okay, depending on the design or layout that you want to create. Okay, if you want the element to stay inside its parent, okay, or inside its ancestor, it is actually good to use absolute position. Right, so this is it. And now lastly, we go to the last type of position called sticky position. Okay, sticky position. Now, sticky position is position based on the user scroll position. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? Okay. Now, if you look here, this is the example. Okay, I am sticky. The word I am sticky, and here, okay, I can scroll up and down actually. So, but look at what happened to I am sticky. Okay, so when I scroll down, see there. All right. Meaning that, okay, even though when I scroll down, other words, okay, might be scroll up and down, but because it is a sticky, okay, because we have positioned this element, okay, in sticky position, okay, therefore, this element will stick there, all right, will stick there, okay. Mari kita tengok. Here we are, all right, sticky position. Okay, whether we scroll up or down, other element will scroll up or down, but the sticky element, okay, the sticky element here, ataupun the sticky position here, as you can go, okay, will still fix, okay, to the here, okay, we will not lose sight, okay, of the sticky element like this, all right. So guys, that's it. Okay, the 5 different types of position. Okay, or what we call position value. Position itself is the property. Okay, but it have 5 different value: the static position, relative position, fixed position, absolute position, and sticky position. It is up to us to choose whatever types, okay, of position, okay, that we like to apply, okay, depending on our setting.